Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Linux Mint 22 on VirtualBox. Linux Mint 22 is the latest version released at the time of making this video. First we will download, then we will install. Okay. So download, go to Linux Mint official website, that is linuxmint.com. Hit enter. See here the message Linux Mint 22. The latest version of friendly operating system is here. Install it on your computer today. Okay. See here, if you want to see the installation instructions, click on here. Otherwise, click on download. See, this is for the latest version. If you want to see all the versions, you have to click on all versions. So we are going to install the latest version, that is Linux Mint 22. Click on it. See here, we have the three types of editions: Cinnamon, XFCE and Mate. And Cinnamon is the most popular edition. Okay, so it is up to you, but the installation process is same for all three editions. So click on download. See, the installation size is 2.7 gigabytes. Scroll down. See, we have the different download methods. First one, that is world. So click on this CICKU. Click on it. See, once we click on download has been started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 2.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded the Linux Mint 22 Cinnamon edition. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VM VirtualBox. If you want to install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your machine, then go through the link provided in the video description and install it. Start VirtualBox. See here, we have the Oracle VM VirtualBox. It is free to use. See, these are the list of the virtual machines on my PC. So to install it, we have to click on machine and select new, or see here we have the new, both are same. So click on new, then provide the name. I am giving Linux Mint 22. Name can be anything based on your requirement. So then select the folder where you want to store this virtual machine files and folders. Other, then select the location where you have the enough space. Then create new folder and give the name. Hit enter. Select the folder. Here I am giving 22. Then here we have to select the downloaded ISO file. So click on this drop down and select other. Then select the downloaded ISO file. Then click on open. Then select this checkbox, that is skip unattended installation. If you don't select this one, it automatically installs. Okay, so select this option, then click on next. See, by default it is selected memory as 2 gigabytes. So I am giving 4 gigabytes, but it is up to you based on requirement, based on availability. Then processors, I am giving 2. Click on next. And this is the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. This is also up to you. Then click on next. If you want to use the existing one, you have to click on this one. You have to click on this radio button. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the Linux Mint 22 virtual machine summary. Click on finish. Still, if you want to edit any one of Linux Mint 22 virtual machine settings, right click on it. Then select the settings, or select here and click on settings, or select it and click on settings. See here we have the settings, or simply press Ctrl S. Okay, if you are okay with all these settings, then click on start, or right click and select the start, then normal start. Okay, and also here we have the one more start option. See here. Okay, so just click on start to start the installation of Linux Mint 22 on VirtualBox. Click on it. See here we have the start Linux Mint in compatibility mode, OEM install, hardware detection, boot from the local drive, and memory test. So select the first one, that is start Linux Mint, and hit enter. See, this is just a preview. So to install permanently, you have to double click on this install Linux Mint. Right click. But if you want to use this temporary purpose, you can use. So we are going to install it permanently. So right click and click on open. Select the language and click on continue. Select keyboard layout type and click on continue. If you want to install multimedia codecs, select it and click on continue. It is optional. At this moment I am not going to, so it is up to you. Click on continue. See, this computer currently has no detected operating system. What you would like to do. So select the first option and click on install now. Click on continue. On this globe, select your region. If you are from India, you have to select here. If you are from United States, you have to select here. If you are from UK, you have to select here. Or you can search from here also. If you are from Australia, you have to select here. So Europe countries, you have to select here. Okay. So I'm going with Kolkata and click on continue. Now here we have to provide or set up user. I'm giving my username as R2 Schools and this will be the computer name. See, this will be the computer name or host name. So I'm giving LNMNT22. It can be anything. Later also you can change the computer name or host name. And this is the username. This is user full name. Okay, provide the password. Check this checkbox and click on continue. See, installation has been started. See, installation has finished, but we can continue testing now. So to make it permanently, we have to click on restart. So click on restart now. Now we have to remove the installation medium. So go to, see, it is removed. See, installation media, that is optical drive, is empty. So it is removed. Now hit enter. Provide the password for this user that we have given. Hit enter. Uncheck this one. See, we have different options. If you want to launch this at the time of starting, you have to check this one. Otherwise, uncheck it, close it. See, before we have the install Linux Mint icon on desktop. Now we don't have. Now click on the start menu. See, here we have the different applications. Let us open terminal. Let me increase the font. Preferences, custom font. Increase it, select it, close this one. See, now we are unable to get full screen. So click on devices and select the insert guest additions CD image. Click on it. Once we click on, see, we have received this icon. If you are not sure the path, right click on it, open, run auto run prompt, click on run, provide the password, hit enter. See, it is success. Now double click on it. Now maximize it. See, we got the full screen. Okay, so this is the way to get full screen. Now verify the version of the Linux Mint. More /etc OS-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Linux Mint 22 and its name is Wilma. ID is like Ubuntu Debian. So after installation, we have to run the command sudo apt update and sudo, use the -y also, -y and symbol, then again sudo apt upgrade. I'm not going to perform, but perform this action. It may take time. Hit enter. Then we have to provide the password. See, updation is going on. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Linux Mint 22 Wilma on VirtualBox. For more Linux Mint videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.